Hello student, this is Pratibha Singh again with you. Student, in previous video we have started our new chapter, that is conjunctions. In previous chapter we have read about coordinate conjunction and its kind. In this video we will study about subordinate conjunction. So without being delay, let's start. Subordinate conjunction, subordinate to connect subordinate clause or what is the another name of subordinate clause? Dependent clause or dependent clause to main clause. Do you know the difference between dependent clause or main clause? Main clause is a clause that express complete sense, complete thought of the sentence. जो मेन क्लॉज है वो सेंटेंस का कंप्लीट थॉट एक्सप्रेस करता है. एंड सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज डज नॉट एक्सप्रेस कंप्लीट थॉट एंड इट डिपेंड्स ऑन मेन क्लॉज. जो सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज होता है वो कंप्लीट सेंस नहीं देता और डिपेंड रहता है वो हमेशा किस पर? मेन क्लॉज पर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I have an uncle. I have an uncle. This sentence express complete thought. That's why this is main clause. And if I add here, who lives in Canada. So student, this is your main clause and this one is your dependent clause. If I talk about this sentence, this is a complete sentence. I have an uncle. मेरे एक अंकल है. But if we will talk about that sentence, who lives in Canada, this sentence does not express full or complete thought. अगर हम अकेले इसकी बात करें, who live in Canada, तो पूरा सेंस ही नहीं निकल के आ पा रहा है. So subordinate clause does not express complete thought and it depends on main clause. ये किस पे डिपेंड होता है? मेन क्लॉज पर. I hope you have understand. Now we will talk about the uses of subordinate conjunctions. Subordinate conjunction help to connect subordinate clause. A clause which does not express complete thought and it depends on main clause. So subordinate clause to main clause. ये दोनों एक दूसरे के नाम हैं और मेन क्लॉज को हम कहते हैं मेन क्लॉज, प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज एंड इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज. सो सबऑर्डिनेट conjunction are divided in 9 parts. It divided in 9 parts. Number 1, time. Number 2, place. Number 3, condition. Number 4, reason or cause. C-A-U-S-E, cause. Number 5, purpose. Number 6, result or effect. Next is comparison. Number 8, contrast. And last one is manner. So students, there are 9 kinds of subordinate conjunction: time, place, condition, reason, purpose, result, comparison, contrast and manner. Now we will read about it one by one. Firstly, we will talk about time. Subordinate conjunction by using as soon as when, as, before, until, while, etc. Have a look the example. For example, the patient had died. Before the doctor arrived. So student, the patient had died is your main clause and the doctor arrived is your dependent clause and it joined with subordinate conjunction of time before. Have a look one sentence more. He asked her when he could see her. He asked her when he could see her. This is your main clause and that one is your dependent clause and it joined with your subordinate conjunction of time. Kind number 2, place. Subordinate conjunction of place. Where, whence and wherever. Are subordinate conjunction of place. It is used to express to connect independent clause to main clause for expressing place. For example, I asked him where he was going. I asked him where he was going. Student, this is your main clause. He was going. I asked him, मैंने उससे पूछा. But क्या पूछा? This is not clear, means this sentence does not express complete thought. This is your subordinate clause and this is main clause and it expressed by subordinate conjunction of place and it express about the place. यहाँ पर where का मतलब कहाँ से नहीं है, जहाँ से है, जहाँ जहाँ. I asked him, मैंने उससे पूछा जहाँ वो गया था, जा रहा था. मैंने उससे पूछा जहाँ वो जा रहा था. Student, now we will talk about its third kind, that is subordinate conjunction of reason. Reason or cause. Because, as, since, for are subordinate conjunction of reason and it express the thought of reason in the sentence. For example, I could not attend the meeting. I could not attend the meeting. Meeting. So why I could not attend the meeting? Because I was ill. I was ill. So student, here we have used because for expressing the reason of the sentence. Reason in the sentence. I could not attend the meeting. I could not attend the meeting because I was ill. Number 4. Condition. Condition. As, if, only if, unless, if, etc. Have a look the example. For example, if you go there in time, he will meet you. He will meet you. Student, have a look. There is condition. If means agar. If you go there in time, there is condition that if you go there in time, अगर आप टाइम से गए तो कौन मिलेगा आपको? तो वह मिल जाएगा. So it express here, it express the condition in the sentence. Have a look. Unless she works hard. She will not pass. अधिक परिश्रम करने पर भी वह पास नहीं होगी. There is condition. Here unless express the condition that she works hard but she will not pass. Have a look the next kind of subordinate conjunction that is used to express purpose. purpose, so that in order that etc. For example, she works hard. She works hard so that she may pass. There is purpose to express this sentence express the purpose in the sentence. She work hard so that, इसलिए कि वो पास हो जाए. She has purpose to work hard for being pass in examination. Number 2, he ran fast. He ran fast least he should miss the train. He should miss the train. He ran fast least he should miss the train. Least means कहीं ऐसा ना हो, and least is always followed by should. Least वाले सेंटेंस में हमेशा should लगाया जाता है. And not is never used in least clauses. जिन सेंटेंसेस में least लगा हो उसमें not नहीं लगाते. ये ऑलरेडी नेगेटिव वर्ड ही है, नेगेशन एक्सप्रेसिंग वर्ड ही है. सो least is always followed by note. Least is always followed by should, and not is never used in least clauses. Student, now we will read about the next kind, that is used for expressing result or effect. So that is that, and such dashes that. Student, this subordinate conjunction is used for expressing result. For example, it rained so heavily that whole area got flooded. Student, here so and that is used to express the result. It rained so heavily. इतनी तेज बारिश हुई कि सारा जो एरिया था वो फ्लडेड हो गया, मीन्स पानी से भर गया बिल्कुल. Have a look. Next example. You are such a rude person. Rude person that nobody likes you. Nobody likes you. Student, here such and that is used to express the effect or result. Means you are such a rude. आप बहुत ज़्यादा रूड हैं, बहुत ही ज़्यादा रूड हैं कि now this part show the result that nobody likes you, कि आपको कोई पसंद नहीं करता. Student, now we will read the next kind of subordinate conjunction that is used for comparison. Comparison. Comparison as much as then. You know very well, then is used in comparative for expressing comparative degree, na? Have a look. For example, she is as tall as her sister. She is as tall as her sister. Here as is used for the comparison of her and her sister. Have a look. Next sentence. She is more beautiful than her sister. She is more beautiful than her sister. Here is also she is compared by her sister. So subordinate conjunction as much as and then is used for expressing comparison between two things or person. Now we will read the next subordinate conjunction that is used for contrast. 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 Through. Although. However, even if, etc. Student, it is used for contrasting. Contrasting means opposition between things or person. For example, he is rich. He is rich. He is miserly. Miserly. Student, have a look. There is two things in contrast. He is rich, but he is rich. He is miserly. These two things are contrast of each other. Have a look. One sentence. Even if she does something wrong. Something wrong. he will pardon her. Here student, something wrong and pardon her contrast each other. Even if she does something wrong, यहाँ तक कि उसने कुछ गलत किया, he will pardon her, फिर भी वो उसे माफ कर देगा. As, like, according as far as, etc. It is used to express manner. For example, as far as I know him, he is true to his word. As far as I know him, जहाँ तक कि मैं जानता हूँ उसे, he is true his word, वह एक सच्चा आदमी है, true. You shouldn't talk to me like you talk to your children. You should not talk to me like. This is your dependent clause and this one is your independent clause. Like, you talk to your children. Student, I hope you have understand.
Dear student, have a look the next kind of conjunction, that is correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunctions join two sentences or phrases in a group. These conjunctions are used in pair. Either or, neither nor are correlative conjunctions. For example, either I or Mahima will win the match.
These kinds, you have to write down these kinds in your English grammar copy. If you have any confusion or query, text message on my WhatsApp number. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.